Welcome to Farr West. Dress code? Farm West.
Hold on. Go ahead.
You know you want to move to Farr West if you A, own a truck, B, you own a boat, C, you want to get away from dumb city people who don't know two shits about horses, cows, chickens, and mountains. The only crime that you're going to find in Farr West is city people eating a damn steak well done. Really the suburbs, but it gives you more of a mountain feel, like you live out in the middle of nowhere, when really there's houses everywhere. If Farr West sounds like your kind of town, jump into my DMs like the little toads and frogs down at Willard Bay a couple miles down the road.